everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got a delivery and this is from Sizzlefish. Sizzlefish reached out to me and asked me to try their product. So I said, of course, I love fish, especially wild caught fish. They sent me this complimentary and I'm gonna show you guys what they sent me. I want to apologize in advance. Somebody is tearing down some trees outside. I waited while they were right in front. It seems they're still out there somewhere, and I hope some of that buzzing isn't bleeding through. Hopefully it's not. Do you hear that? Oh, cutting down trees. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little cooler in here. Look at that. Like a little cooler. This is great. Sizzlefish. Very cool. I love the logo. I love the name Sizzlefish too. What do you guys think of that? Isn't that great? Keep things cold. Keeping things cold is always nice. So we have contains dry ice, the dry ice warning, and we see this from a lot of the companies that we get deliveries from. And then we have a recipe for grilled salmon with parsley salad. That sounds really good. And this is about Sizzlefish here. Pure natural fish. Very cool. Oh, it tells you how to thaw it, and they have a guarantee. Wow, pretty cool. And they have this Sizzlefish. It's not a pad or anything, it's a logo. The logo is awful cute. And we've got some dry ice, icing, another one of these cool little wrappers. And this is the Whole 30 compliant sampler. We've got some salmon. This is, I believe both of these are sockeye salmon. They look like they came from the same fish. And this is coho salmon. It is skin on, in case you're wondering. Nice and cold. We've got some scallops, and it looks like we've got 8 scallops here. And some shrimp. Shrimp. It's nice that it tells you what it is. This one, the sticker is not there. But there are 2, 4, 6, 8 shrimps in each of these. And then we've got some haddock. Yeah, it looks like the little labels fell off inside there. Some haddock. This is not very large haddock. But it's haddock. And there's a bunch of the stickers that fell off in here. That's a shame. I mean, I know those are scallops, and I know this is shrimp. I don't really need to have the labels on there. And we got another one of those. So the total for this, I forget what it is, but I'm going to put it up on screen. If you were to buy it off their website.
Hi everyone, Editing Amy here. I just wanted to say really quick that I forgot to tell you, shipping is completely free, and I'm going to put something on screen about that. Also, we tried all this fish, and it was amazing. We got this a few weeks ago, and we've already tried it all. So I encourage you to give Sizzlefish a try, and there's a link in the description down below where you can get it at a discount. So be sure to use that link. It's an affiliate link, so I get a little something too. but you help out the channel and you get a discount. I hope you'll give Sizzlefish a try.
What do you guys think? Is this worth that amount? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. I mean, it looks really good. It looks super good. I mean, I always love to get fish too. Yeah, and of course it's buzzing. As soon as I'm gonna wrap up, the buzzing starts. Sorry. Okay, maybe that'll stop. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this order from Sizzlefish. And if you want to give Sizzlefish a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can save. So go in my description and use that link down there if you want to give them a try. If you like this video, despite the noise, please give it a like. And if you think it could help someone else, share it with them and just share it on your social media too. Sorry about all the noise. Thank you for watching. This is Aimee. Happy eating. I will see you real soon. Bye.